welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor.
And my name's Zoe, and today is a very special episode for Saucy Cat, our 100th episode.
Woo! We have so much fun putting this show together for you, and so we thought we'd share with you our favorite part of the show.
The epic fails. So get ready for a reel full of our favorite bloopers and cooking fails from the past year.
So let's dive in.
Kiwi go meow meow. Kiwi meow meow so good. Kitty cat go meow meow. Meow. Mommy, you are too loud.
That was really loud for her.
Like, no, just, no.
She always has to wait for us to record before she eats.
It's the star of the show, it's banana. Banana. That's right.
There's not even room for you, baby girl.
What's your end game here, sweetie?
Oh. Just gonna make it work.
You stuck? Oh, you were? Weirdo.
Well, that does it for today. I feel like you can hear me clapping. I don't know why
I
I'm
did hear you
clapping.
clap.
Why am I clapping?
I totally did not make a move.
Doesn't this just look fantastic? Oop,
You got this.
Let me wheel it up and then we'll start.
Tofu can be a really weird thing to interact with if you've never had it before. Hello.
Oh yeah. That's right. There it goes. In again. Into the bowl. That's right.
Missing a leaf.
I got the one from the next one.
I know he did.
Now we're gonna take out a large casserole dish. I said casserole pan right here. Casserole dish. Now take out a large casserole dish. Now take out a large casserole. Now take out a large casserole dish and spray it. I said it right. I can't even keep a straight face. Oh man. Now take out a large casserole dish and spray it. I don't know. Now took a. I can't even say that now. Now took out a blah blah. Now take. Why? This is so hard.
Ooh, that is a good cabbage. Ooh, that's a real good cabbage. Mommy, you want some cabbage? It's a good one. I like that cabbage.
Every time. Open wide.
Yeah.
Daddy's gonna cut himself.
I'm not gonna cut myself.
She accepts that you're gonna cut yourself.
I'm not gonna cut
that you're gonna cut yourself.
I'm not gonna cut myself.
Okay, so.
Oh, bam! Woo!
Nami, is that cauliflower yours? Oh.
really? Oh, that's pretty cool. Kiwi, your tail is in the shot. Kiwi, come over here. Go over there, bud. You're still in the shot.
If I knew how to eat them, that'd be that much better.
Slice the tomato to let out all the juices.
You need to get off this cutting board.
Saucy Cat time.
Come on. You're so close. You're so close. Yes.
It's recording.
Now that the burrito.
Now that the breeder.
Now that the breeder's all roly-poly, let's flirt.
Kiwi, look at that butt. Get that butt out of my face. Kiwi, what you doing with your butt? Your thick kiwi butt. Kiwi booty. Thick kiwi booty butt. Fruit butt. Yeah, that butt. Whoa. Is it gonna fall? Is it gonna fall, babe? Oh, it's trying. It's trying. Oh! Oh! Oh, wait, oh!
Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and vegetables are eggplants. But not all eggplants are vegetables. First things first, we're gonna grab a pot of water and... Oh my god, is that a pigeon? No idea what to do.
What would happen if we went out there? Do you think he'd be able to figure out how to get out then?
Oh yeah. I open the door, he'd freak out.
What if he flew into the house?
We have a whole separate problem on our hands.
Nami could take him.
You sure would take him.
I'm cutting on a counter, which I shouldn't be doing. Should be using a cutting board, but instead I'm cutting on the counter. Gonna get all upset with the landlord.
No, there's supposed to be a third, fourth cup! Oh god!
And then add the potatoes on top. Smooth the potatoes over so it's nice and even. Then cover with some aluminum foil and bake in a 400 degree. I was so close. 400 degree. 400 degree.
Who did the potato mash? Potato mash. It was a potato smash. Potato mash.
Okay, babe.
Add in 1 more tablespoon of vegan butter.
Vegan butter. So let's grab your blenders and dive in. Let's dive into our blenders.
Yes!
Gonna start flattening the bread. Gotta roll the bread is flat. It's not bread. Not bread, it's noodles. Not bread.
They're fries. They got seasoning on them. Ranch is dippy.
Try again.
You hit me with... What did you hit me with? Tofu?
I smacked this and it didn't come out.
You hit me with tofu.
I hit everything with tofu.
There's tofu everywhere.
Get off the spoon! 1.5 ounce light rum, 1.5 ounce dark rum, and 1.5 ounce passion fruit Perrier. And 2 ounces of passion fruit, and 2 ounces of passion fruit, passion fruit puree.
I think you said flute that time.
Flute, passion fruit puree. Okay. Not gonna lie, the passion fruit puree was a... This will begin to thicken it up and become more saucy.
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 Oh, saucy.
Kiwi gonna run the camera today? You gonna run the camera, bud? Add the tofu puree. Add the Add the tofu puree to the... Add the blended tofu.
You just can't handle the word.
I can't handle the word puree.
Puree. Okay,
That looked so much better in my head.
let's do that again.
Okay. I don't know how to fan this.
Well, you're trying to push it when it's like this. You need to like go here and then... Okay, you know what? No
See? You can't,
more.
it's bread.
We got plenty of... We got it. We got it.
Nami, hey. Hands up.
Why is the green onion so squeaky? I never know what I'm doing. What if I just and then and then flop. That's hideous.
I should really like this. Sad face.
Oh my god.
Get out of there.
Oh. Hi.
That's one way to do this, I guess.
Do you think if you replaced your head with like a bowling ball, an 8-pound bowling ball, would you notice?
Yeah, there's kind of a brain in one of them. Another one's an inanimate object.
Yeah.
My spoon is too big.
My spoon is too big. My spoon is too big.
I need a teaspoon. Oh. Can't get the lid off. Why can't I get the lid off? Babe, I can't get the lid off. I just cut my nails, man. Oh yeah.
Yeah, big strong man. It's really good.
And there's fruit in it.
Yes, there is fruit in it.
Fruit. And that does it for today. I hope you enjoyed making fun of us as much as we did.
So make sure to like and subscribe for even more failures and delicious recipes. And we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.